Good morning, respected Chairman sir, Baby ma'am, our Honorable Director Salim sir, respected Principal sir, all the teachers and my dear friends. Today, as we gather here to celebrate our Independence Day, we remember the sacrifices, the struggles, and the courage of those who fought for our freedom. Independence is not just a word, it is the result of countless lives dedicated to the dream of free India. It is our duty to value this freedom and work together to make our country stronger and better each and every day. Thanks to the fearless leaders who faced it all, making tough times pass by. There may be many things that can't be lived without, but for me, freedom is what I cherish the most, without any doubt. Love can speak many volumes when words become less. Love for freedom for some has left us blessed. Blessed with this freedom, these moments we share, let's learn to care for people around us. Care for our nation in every possible way. Come, let us together wish our beautiful India a very happy Independence Day. On this Independence Day, while we proudly salute our flag, we must also look within us. Today, many of us are quick to follow the Western culture, from the way they dress to the way they celebrate and even the way they live. But in this process, we are slowly forgetting the richness of our own culture. India is not just a country with a long history, it is the land where advanced mathematics took place. It is the land where zero was discovered. It is the land where the first recorded surgery was performed. Our ancient scholars gave the world education in astronomy, architecture, medicine, and even in philosophy, even before modern nations even emerged. Yet, how many of us know about these facts? How many of us feel pride in them? If we forget our own roots, we risk of losing our true identity. Our freedom will have no meaning if we allow our culture and values to fade away. True independence means being proud of who we are, preserving our heritage, and carrying it forward while still learning from the world around us. I hope that these words have reminded you of the greatness of this nation and the importance of staying connected to your roots. Let us not be the generation that forgets where we came from, but the one that carries forward our heritage with pride. May we all shall to strive towards best for our nation in whatever way we can, so that the India we carry forward to the next generation is even stronger, prouder, and richer. Alas, I would like to present a few lines by Sri Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving hands stretches towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way in dreary desert of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by ever widening thought and action into the heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.